Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for the Potomac River at Point of Rocks from Sunday evening until further notice. At 3 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 4.4 feet and rising. Flood stage is 16.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by late tomorrow evening. Flood history. This crest compares to National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for the Potomac River at Edwards Ferry from Sunday evening until further notice. At 3 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 7.2 feet and rising. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Flood stage by late tomorrow evening and crest near 20.1 feet by early Monday evening. Impact at 20.0 feet. The basements of the Edwards Ferry Lockhouse and Riley's Lockhouse are flooded. Backwater flooding may affect homes on the Loudoun County side of the river near Broad Run in Sterling. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest at 20.3 feet on September 11, 2018. This is a state